And also, of course, with me tonight to host this very momentous event is also one of the bride's closest friend. No, Stephen Still Santos.
Thank you.
So, let's start. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the reception program of our beloved Dawn and Ruby. We are so honored to be your hosts for today's celebration, and we also hope to make it more special and memorable. And what's so special and memorable? Well, it's the presence of all the special people who are very dear to our newlyweds. Kayo pong lahat na naririto, mga kamag-anak, kaibigan, kapamilya, kapitbahay, kaklase. That's why we would like to request everyone to please stay with us for the rest of the program and join the couple in this celebration. This is actually a very memorable event for all of us, and the couple really prepared for this for the past few months. They actually personally supervised every detail of this very momentous event. So, shall we start?
Yes. Thank you very much. I must agree with what you said earlier, JP. And also, ladies and gentlemen, alam po namin na lahat kayo ay excited na makita ang bago nating kasal. Who have just exchanged their marriage vows earlier. But before we welcome, I will be introducing the important people who played significant role in the marriage rites, and they are the members of the entourage. Let us all give a round of applause to the wedding entourage, starting with the ring bearer, Lance Andre Gonzalez. Also now, there has always been the saying that God gives each and every one of us a special someone who will bring out the best in us. And this is what God has done to our newlyweds, Dawn and Ruby. After sharing their moments of love, they are looking forward to a lifetime of happiness and commitment. And so now, ladies and gentlemen, may I request everyone to stand as we welcome the couple, who is the reason why we are all here celebrating. Ladies and gentlemen, our beloved couple, Mr. and Mrs. Dawn and Ruby de la Cruz.